Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit a summer hat. Very easy and beginner friendly. If you know how to knit in rounds, please join me and you will see how easy it is. For this hat I'm going to use 3.5 millimeters knitting needles. I'm going to use circular one at the beginning, and here at the end you will need double pointed, so it will be easier to close the crown. Regarding the yarn, for this hat I was using pure cotton from Sirdar. It's written double knitting, and so you see it's written 100% cotton, and it has 100 grams and 169 meters. And you will need less than one skein, less than 100 grams. So you may use any yarn you want. The most important, it is cotton yarn for the summer and decay yarn. And if you're going to knit a bigger hat or use another type of yarn, heavier or lighter, I will show you some calculations now so that you are able to knit a bigger or smaller size. So the size hat circumference that I am knitting for, it's 49-50 centimeters. It will fit the 3 or 4 years old child. So my gauge is 20-21 stitches per 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Two stitches per 1 centimeter. Now take a hat circumference 50 by 2 equals 100 stitches. Minus 25% to make the hat fit better, because we are going to knit in stockinette stitch. We will get, or minus 20%, so you decide, we will get 75 stitches. The total number of stitches has to be multiple of 8. So the nearest number that is multiple of 8 is 72. Not 75, but 72. And at the beginning we start with ruffle part, so we multiply 72 by 2 and we will get 144 stitches, and that's the numbers that we are going to cast on. Also plus one extra stitch because I'm going to use an invisible joining method. So in total 145 stitches. So using 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, cast on 145 stitches. Or the numbers that you calculated. Now check that all your stitches are looking in one direction and are not twisted. Great. Slip the first stitch. To the right hand needle. With the tip of left hand needle, pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop the stitch off the needle. Now we have exactly 144 stitches. Return the first stitch and place a stitch marker. And now we start knitting in stockinette stitch. Just knit all stitches around. I'm going to knit in total 15 rounds or until the ruffle part reaches 5 centimeters. If you are knitting a smaller size, so the ruffle part has to be smaller as well. Go on and finish this round. Round number 2. Again, knit all stitches around. Finish this round and go on knitting until ruffle part reaches, as I said, 5 centimeters. Here I am, that's what I have. Now in the next round we are going to decrease the half of all stitches to get in total 72 stitches, or the number that is multiple of 8. So knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Please go on making decreases till the stitch marker. That's it. Now we have 72 stitches as we calculated. And now knit all stitches around. Finish this round and go on knitting in stockinette stitch until the hat reaches desired length. In my case it is 10 centimeters from the row with decreases. Here I am, that's what I have. Let's measure. So I have done in total 28 rows, and you see it is 10 centimeters, maybe a little bit more, 10 and a half, and ruffle part, as I said, 5 centimeters or 15 rounds. And now we are ready to start making decreases and shaping the crown. Knit 7, knit 2 together. And that's what we are going to repeat. Knit 7, knit 2 together. In total, we repeat 8 times, knit 7, knit 2 together. You remember the total number of stitches was multiple of 8. Knit 7, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating till the stitch marker. Next round, round number 2, we will knit all stitches without decreases. Just knit all stitches till the end. Next round, round number 3. We did knit 7, now knit 6 because we decreased 1 stitch. Knit 6, knit 2 together. And again, knit 6, knit 2 together. Knit 6, knit 2 together. So in this way, go on repeating knit 6, knit 2 together, knit 6, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 4, knit all stitches without decreases. Round number 5, there will be knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2 together. And again repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2 together. Round number 6, again knit all stitches till the stitch marker. Round number 7 will be knit 4, knit 2 together, knit 4, knit 2 together. In this way you go on repeating, alternating last 2 rows, and there will be knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together until you get a last 8 stitches on your needles. So if it's hard for you, you can use stitch marker and divide all stitches in 8 sections, and like this you don't need to count, so you will always make knit 2 together before the stitch marker. It is easier and faster if you don't want to count. I hope it is clear, but if you're looking for written instruction, please check my blog, the link you can find down. Now go on knitting until last 8 stitches. So here I am, and last 8 stitches. Cut the yarn, take a yarn needle or a hook and thread the tail and slip remaining stitches. And last 3 stitches. Now pull the tail underneath remaining stitches again. pull it on the wrong side, and make a knot here. And weave in end. Okay, it's enough. Cut the yarn and one more tail at the beginning. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to wash your hat. Dry it flat, it will look much better. At the end, you may need a flower or a bow. Please check also a video tutorial on my YouTube channel or on my blog. Or you may add a crochet flower or crochet leaves, so it's up to you, you decide. Or for example, make bear ears. Thank you again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I wish you all a good day.